The year is 1946. The famous English botanist Francis Kingdom Ward has just discovered the Shuri lily. This lily is extremely rare and is found only here at the Shuri Hill ranges of Ukhrul district in Manipur. Here are some facts of the Shuri lily. The scientific name of the Shuri lily is Lilium macleanei. The beautiful Shuri lily is the state flower of Manipur. It has 7 colors when observed under a microscope. The Shuri lily flower blooms in May and June every year. This lily is now endangered and requires conservation efforts. The government of Manipur now hosts a Shuri lily festival every year here in Ukhrul to raise awareness of this flower. So come here to learn more about the Shuri lily and take home the knowledge to spread awareness of this beautiful lily.